So I'm going to ask you one time for your driver's license. Hang on a second. Right now, you are lawfully detained.
No, I'm not. I'm not being detained because I committed no crime, sir.
Let me finish.
I committed no crime.
You're traveling.
And all this is being recorded.
That's fine.
That's fine.
You're traveling in a vehicle.
Okay.
In the state of Florida, when you're pulled over for a lawful detainment,
I did not do anything wrong. I didn't commit a crime. What crime did I commit? Arrested for what crime did I commit? Tell me what crime did I commit? What crime did I commit?
You try to explain to me.
Please do not open. This is illegal. Anything wrong? I don't have to give you my license. I didn't do anything wrong. Officer, sir, I don't have. You're gonna drag me, and you're going under arrest for what? And you're gonna get a loss from protection because I don't have any drugs, nothing in this car. I didn't do anything wrong. You're stopping me unlawful, sir. I know the law. I know the law. Obviously, I do. I am a home security officer, sir.
Okay, give me your ID.
What do I need to give you my ID for? I did not commit a crime. No, I did not run a stop sign. I did not commit any crime, sir. I did not commit, and I was not even doing, I was doing speed limit. I was not even speeding because I'm going through something right now. So that's not true. You came at me full throttle for no reason.
Ma'am?
Full throttle. You came at me full throttle for no reason, and I slowed up to see what the heck was speeding behind me so fast.
Give me your license.
I don't have to give you my license. For what?
You're going to
what
get
crime?
tickets. You're going to go to jail.
You can do whatever you want to do. And I could sue because I did nothing wrong. What are you stopping me for?
Can I ask you your name?
My name is Faith. That's my name.
My name is Deputy.
Hi, Deputy. How are you? He's stopping me for no reason.
I understand. Can I just, do you mind if I explain something to you?
What? He's lying saying I ran a stop sign. I wasn't even speeding. And then he's going to talk about he's going to throw me out the car.
Do you have a dome light so I don't have to put the flashlight in this light?
Sure. Don't hit on this car. This is not my car.
She's not going to do it.
I'm not going to do it because I did nothing wrong.
Faith,
Stop hitting on this car. This is not my car.
Faith. Right here.
I don't like this. It take all y'all for one person.
I'm just here to explain.
This is horrible. This is ridiculous.
Can I explain it to you, Faith?
What are you explaining?
I'm going to explain to you the traffic law.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay. You're saying that you ran a stop sign.
I did not. He's not telling the truth. I know I'm going through something right now, and I was doing speed limit. He's lying.
Faith, follow me here. We observed you driving.
Wait, get that. There's nothing in the car. What are y'all looking at? There's no drugs, no nothing.
Faith. Right now you're driving a car, correct? Yes?
Okay.
So as someone that's traveling on a state road, you're required. I'm not saying that you're speeding.
So what are you stopping me for?
You're traveling in a vehicle.
Right?
Right now you're detained.
I'm not detained because I did nothing wrong.
A traffic stop is a lawful detention.
I did nothing wrong. He's stopping me for nothing. That's what I'm trying to tell you. He came at me full throttle like something was going on, and I stopped like, who is this speeding behind me?
Can I finish? I'm listening to you. Can you listen to me for one second?
What am I stopped for? That's all I want to know. What am I being stopped for?
So, as of right now,
he hasn't gave me a valid reason.
I'm sorry.
And if I was speeding, why you didn't stop me right then and there? Why you had to turn around and come and then push up on me and then put your lights on? Why?
Can I explain to you? Can I explain to you the process, please?
You don't have to explain because I did nothing wrong.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you one time for your driver's license. Hang on a second. Right now, you are lawfully detained.
No, I'm not. I'm not being detained because I committed no crime, sir.
Let me finish.
I committed no crime.
You're traveling.
And all this is being recorded.
That's fine.
That's fine.
You're traveling in a vehicle.
Okay.
In the state of Florida, when you're pulled over for a lawful detainment,
I did not do anything wrong. I didn't commit a crime. What crime did I commit? Just give me my ticket so I can go. That's it.
I would love to if I can just get your license.
For what?
So I can write you the ticket.
For what? I don't have to give you my license. That's the law.
So let me explain something first.
I don't have to give you my license.
As of right now, I've asked multiple times.
Right, you have.
Right now, we're resisting without violence.
I'm resisting? What?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, whatever you want to say. I have a lawyer. It's fine.
Okay.
Whatever you want to do.
Do you have your driver's license?
I do.
Can I have it?
And there are 54.
Can I have it?
Everything is correct.
Okay. Do you want to take a look at it?
But for what reason?
Ma'am, the deputy saw you
I'm talking to him. I'm asking for what? I don't have to give you my license. I committed no crime.
You committed a traffic infraction.
He's lying. No, I did not.
Let me explain something.
He's lying.
You understand? This is not the place to have roadside court.
Why is all these police officers for one woman?
I'm trying to explain.
One woman.
If
why?
you don't feel that you
there's no guns in the car, no drugs, no
you can argue that in court. That's not a problem. That's what court is for.
I know what court is for.
But in the meantime, I will need your driver's license to write your citations.
What are you giving me citations for? And I committed no crime.
Disobeying traffic control device, which is one of your stops.
Okay, so where's the proof?
316.123.
Where's the proof? Where's the proof?
We're going to go through that in court.
Where's the proof, though?
We're going to go through that in court.
He's not telling the truth.
That's for the judge to decide. So do you mind giving me your driver's license?
You know what? Where's the whatchamacallit number for you guys? You guys have insurance. I need that number as well.
I can get it for you as well.
Good, I want it.
Okay, can I have your driver's license?
I want it. Write as many citations as you want. I'm going to fight it in court because he's lying. This is horrible. Like all these police for what? There you go. You see it?
I have to write you the citation then.
What are you writing me? I
just explained to you.
Where is he?
Do you mind if I have it?
So what do you, here you go right here, you see it?
I need to go back to my laptop so I can write the citation.
But you wasn't the one that stopped me. Where's the other one at?
I'll give it to him so we can write the citation. You might have had the driver's
So what do you, okay, this is the driver's license here.
I know, we need it so we can write the citation.
Okay, you see it, I committed no crime.
Ma'am, again.
I committed no crime. I committed no crime. I don't even have to give you my license.
That's not for us to discuss.
Well, I don't have to give you my license. You see it here. I'm showing it to you guys. I committed no crime.
Do you mind if I take a picture of it?
No, I committed no crime.
So how am I going to identify it?
I'm showing you. I'm showing you my license.
Can I have it?
Here. You see. You're going to sit up here and lie on me saying I was speeding?
Can I have your driver's license, ma'am?
If I was speeding, why you had to turn around and come back if I was speeding?
Again, listen, you're making this a lot harder.
I'm not making nothing because you stopped me for no reason.
Also, can you turn off the car?
What am I going to do, drive off?
At this point, I feel you are, yes. Can you turn off the car?
I don't have to turn off nothing. What did I do? I'm not committing a crime. What did I do? Y'all guys are just harassing me for no reason.
Okay, so...
There's no weapons in the car. I showed you my license. What else? Everything's on cam.
This analysis focuses on legal doctrine in a Florida traffic stop and resisting case. The incident itself is set aside. The focus is the law. Issue 1. The legal basis for a traffic stop. Under Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1, 1968, reasonable, articulable suspicion of any violation is sufficient. Under Whren v. United States, 517 U.S. 806, 1996. Any observed traffic infraction provides a constitutionally sufficient basis for a stop. A completed crime is not required. A civil infraction suffices. Issue 2. The statutory obligation to produce a driver's license. Under Florida Statute Section 322.15, every driver must display the license on demand. This is a statutory condition attached to the privilege of operating a motor vehicle. It is not a right that may be waived by invoking the Fifth Amendment. Under Hiibel v. 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada, 542 U.S. 177, 2004, identification statutes do not violate the Fifth Amendment during lawful detentions.
If we can take your license, write your
I just showed you my license. I committed no crime. I committed no crime.
That's not for you to argue on the side of the
I'm letting you know. I'm letting you know as a citizen. I committed no crime.
I'm understanding what you're saying, but we're going to agree to disagree. Is that fair?
Okay, what else?
I need your driver's license.
I don't have to give you that.
Ma'am, you do, because you're
resisting. For what? I'm not resisting
nothing. So I can write you the citation.
I'm talking to you guys.
All right, ma'am, how are we going to get your license number? How are we going to get it? Just a long 15-digit number on your license. How are we going to get it?
Can you stop tapping on the car, please? Can you stop?
Ma'am, ask you a question.
I just showed it to you. I just showed it to you.
You're also not wearing your seatbelt.
Okay, well,
let me write you the ticket, right?
That's fine. It doesn't matter. For what? Like what?
You're not even
y'all wasting my time right now.
Well, if you would give me
a
your license,
I don't have to because I did nothing wrong. I'm telling you I did nothing wrong.
So wearing your seatbelt is not a law?
Let me just report this. This is getting too much. This is getting too much.
Listen, if your license isn't valid, I'm on the business right.
Excuse me? My license is valid, honey. Okay. My license is very valid. I just showed it to you guys. You just took a picture of it.
Listen, no one's here trying to mess with anyone. We're just doing our job.
What do you mean? What? You harassing me for no reason? That's what? I should be aggravated. Talking about what? I'm going to pull who out the car? I want you guys to pull me out the car. Lawsuit.
Five cameras are going to show that we tried to explain to you exactly what
I want you guys to pull me out the car. That'll be a great lawsuit.
And you're still resisting.
How am I resisting? I did no crime.
Because we're giving you a lawful.
I don't have to. I did nothing wrong.
You committed a traffic infraction.
I did not. He's lying.
You ran a stop sign.
So what? How did I? Really? Let me see it. Don't check our camera. Let me see that I ran. Let me see.
This is also illegal.
This is not my car, baby. This is a tour road. This has nothing to do with me.
You're the owner and operator of the vehicle.
This is not my car.
You control the vessel.
This is not my car.
Are you an actual physical?
It doesn't matter. I have tour road. This is not my vehicle. So whoever put this on here,
you'll still be getting the ticket.
No, well, to go to her. So I didn't put anything on it.
So we acknowledge that we're not wearing a seatbelt.
Okay.
We acknowledge that the
and this is not my car. This is a Turo. Anything else?
Driving and operating with a vehicle.
But this is not my car to put 10 on it.
And we can't
this is not my car to put 10. This has nothing to do with me. I rented the car like this. So you make no sense.
You're still responsible for it, man.
How am I responsible for someone that owns this vehicle? I don't own it.
So if you got in a car accident right now, someone died, you wouldn't be responsible?
What do you, come on, we're talking about 10 and somebody dying. We're talking about 10 and somebody dying right now.
All right, so what if you didn't kill
someone?
Like for real,
seriously.
You just hit another car.
Seriously,
you wouldn't
be
be responsible
smart.
as a driver?
Come on, you're talking about a tent and someone dying.
All right, so at this point, we're going to probably have to move forward. I'm going to ask you, will you please step out of the vehicle?
What am I stepping out of the vehicle
Because
for?
as of right now, you're resisting and you're subject to be arrested.
Arrested for what crime did I commit? Tell me what crime did I commit? What crime did I commit?
Issue 3. The scope of detention. Under Brendlin versus California, 551 U.S. 249, 2007. All occupants are seized the moment emergency lights are yielded. The subject's repeated claim that she was not detained is legally incorrect on its face. Under Rodriguez versus United States, 575 U.S. 348, 2015, a stop may not be extended beyond its mission. However, delay caused by the driver's own refusal to cooperate does not constitute unlawful extension. Issue 4. The authority to order a driver from the vehicle. Under Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 434 U.S. 106, 1977, an officer may order any driver out of a vehicle during a lawful stop. No additional justification is required beyond the validity of the stop itself. Under Maryland v. Wilson, 519 U.S. 408, 1997, the same rule extends to passengers. Refusal to comply with a lawful Mimms order is itself predicate conduct for obstruction.
Please do not open. This is illegal. This is illegal. They're opening my car door illegally.
It's on our cameras too. Step out.
Okay, please
Step
don't.
out.
I'm gonna step out. Just don't
Step
touch
out.
me. I'm stepping out.
Step out on your own.
I'm gonna
Step
step
out on your
out.
own.
Just tell him don't touch me.
Relax, relax,
Don't
relax.
touch me.
Step out on your own.
The fuck is wrong with y'all?
Harder than it should be.
Could you step out on your own,
Step out
ma'am?
of vehicle.
So what's going on now?
We've
Just
been
let me know
we've been
what's going
explaining
on.
to you for the past 10 minutes.
Let me know what's going on because I committed no crime.
We're going to write your citation.
Can I have a sergeant?
Yeah,
I need a sergeant now. I need a sergeant now.
Could you step out?
I'm asking for a sergeant.
How this stuff goes, okay?
Step out of the
I'm
door.
asking for a sergeant.
Come on.
Alright, step out of the car.
I'm gonna step out. Don't touch me. I'm gonna step out on my own. Don't touch me. Please don't. I'm gonna step out. I'm telling you, I'm gonna step out.
Come on. You got one. You got one leg out already. Come on.
Step out of the
Tell
car.
him stop touching me, please.
Step out of the car.
I'm gonna step out.
Stop the bullshit, okay?
Okay. So, can I get my shoes on?
Yep, come on. Come on.
What are
Give you
you?
plenty of opportunities.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, why y'all being so rough? Wait, my phone is
That's
here.
all right. Don't worry about your phone.
Wait.
Come on. Tell you. Driver's license. And your cuffs. You just made that.
Why you handling me so? You have a mother and children, right? Why you? I did nothing wrong. I did nothing. You handling me like I'm a. Am I going to jail?
We're going to decide that in a second.
Am I going to jail? What did I do
You've done
wrong?
everything to go to
But
jail.
I didn't. No, I did not. I didn't disrespect. I didn't hit you guys. I didn't curse you out.
At this point,
I
you're
just
going to jail.
asked you.
You're going to jail.
I'm going to jail.
Yes, you are. Get
Well, can I call someone, please?
Yep, get inside. I'll get your phone for you. Get in the car.
I'm going to jail for
Yep,
what?
get
I
in the
did
car.
nothing.
Get in the car. You're going to get another resistion charge. You're going to get Actually,
She's been arrested before?
hold on a second.
For nothing, dude.
Huh?
For absolutely nothing.
Reaching out 10-4. Go for it.
Hey, put that window halfway up.
I think Crawford's good.
Issue 5. Resisting without violence. Under Florida Statute Section 8, 43.02, willful obstruction of an officer in legal duty is a first-degree misdemeanor. Physical resistance is not required. Verbal refusal to comply is sufficient. Refusing a lawful demand for identification during a valid stop satisfies the statutory elements. Issue 6. The use of force. Under Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989, force is judged by objective reasonableness. The relevant factors are the severity of the offense, immediate threat, and active resistance. The extraction here involved minimal guiding force. No strikes, no chemical agents, no impact weapons. This is the lowest rung of the force continuum. Issue 7. The legality of custodial arrest. Under Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 318, 2001, custodial arrest is constitutional even for fine-only offenses. Resisting without violence is itself a misdemeanor carrying independent arrest authority. Grades: Primary Officer, C+. Legally correct throughout, tactically prolonged in his window dialogue. Secondary Officer, B. Exemplary de-escalation, calm and professional. Subject, D-. She converted a civil citation into criminal charges through her own conduct. Department. B. Measured response, continuous bodycam, minimal force. Lessons learned. First, a right and a statutory obligation are not the same thing. Second, the roadside is not a courtroom. Factual disputes are resolved before a judge. Third, claiming to know the law while refusing lawful commands does not alter the law. Fourth, a Mimms exit order is settled doctrine. Refusal is never lawful self-help. Fifth, a $30 civil citation can become a jailable misdemeanor in minutes. Let us know in the comments which interaction or legal topic you want analyzed next. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.